85. Internal organs. Anatomy.
In the anatomy class, students study the internal and external structures of a human body. He was the first scientist to discover the anatomy of blood circulation. The book tries to examine the anatomy of the current financial crisis.
Centralize.
The company centralized all the decision-making to the main headquarters.
Organ.
The internal organs include the stomach, bowels, liver, kidneys, etc. He started his musical career playing the organ at a church.
Vessel.
Through the blood vessels, blood circulates throughout the body. They built ocean-going vessels to exploit resources in the New World. Spectacular ceramic vessels were found at the archaeological site.
Artery.
The artery transports blood from your heart to the rest of your body. The highway is an industrial artery that connects large cities across the country.
Vein.
The veins carry blood back toward the heart from all the parts of the body.
The painter depicted even the veins of leaves with accuracy.
Synthesize.
The scientists synthesize the chemicals in a laboratory.
Respire.
Reptiles and mammals respire with their lungs.
Lung.
The lungs are the essential respiration organs in air-breathing animals.
Stomach.
In the stomach of the whale, they found a large, undigested squid. He lay down on his stomach and fell asleep.
Bowel.
Anatomically, the bowel consists of the small intestine and the large intestine.
Intestine.
Food passes from the stomach to the small and large intestines.
Liver.
There is currently no way to compensate for the absence of liver function.
Compensate.
His intelligence compensated for his lack of education. His intelligence made compensation for his lack of education. The company compensated the fishermen for damages caused by the oil leak.
Kidney.
Your kidneys remove waste matter from your blood and produce urine.
Urine.
Urine is rich in nitrogen, which requires elimination from the bloodstream.
Eliminate.
Credit cards eliminate the need for cash when you travel.
Appendix.
He was taken to the hospital to have his appendix removed. The appendix, which contains additional information, can be found at the end of a book.
Brainwash.
We must stop any political group from brainwashing our children.
Headquarters.
The headquarters of the United Nations is located in New York.
Diagnosis.
He collapsed suddenly in the morning, and the doctors are making a diagnosis.
Diabetes.
He has been diagnosed with diabetes and now takes medicine.
Words in context. Joan is taking notes in an anatomy class. The brain has a centralized control over other organs in the body. The blood vessels are classified into arteries and veins, and hormones are synthesized in various glands. We respire or breathe with lungs. The food we eat goes down to the stomach and the bowels, which consist of the small and large intestines. The liver plays a vital role in the body, and there is currently no way to compensate for the absence of a liver. The kidneys remove waste matter from the body and produce urine. At the end of the class, the professor performs a simple operation to eliminate a sick appendix. The class is so interesting that Joan feels brainwashed to change her major to medicine.